Welcome back. You're still watching the SABC's Prime News. Global ocean pollution is now also having a detrimental effect on human health. 8 million tons of plastic is entering our oceans from land every year, and some is ingested by marine life before sinking to the seabed. Marine experts, advocates and government representatives from around the world have gathered in Cape Town for the next 2 days for the Ocean Summit, which will explore alternative strategies on how to minimize plastic waste pollution in the oceans.
A global approach, asking for commitment from government and industry to ensure clean seas for the future. The use of plastic globally is growing exponentially. 100,000 plastic bags are used around the world every 3 seconds. Plastic, whether it be a bottle or a bag, is utilized on a daily basis. It's generally used for only minutes before being thrown away. But what many do not know is that every single bit of plastic you have ever touched still exists somewhere on planet Earth. That's because the material used to make plastic is designed to last forever.
It's having a physical consequence on the animals that we share this planet with, but we're also now seeing that plastic and other chemical toxics moving into the food chain. The same food chain that we, of course, are at the top of. And so we've also been investigating recently what the impact of having these chemicals in our bodies.
We have more diabetes, more heart disease, more obesity, more cancers, I've told you before, but more breast cancers, prostate cancers, thyroid cancers. If you make a thyroid diagnosis by only clinical criteria, you have as much as 85% of people with hypothyroidism. It's a great part of the population. We should be aware of this and eliminate plastic from our lives.
The South African Maritime Safety Authority says it's doing its bit.
As a port state authority, we are able to go on board a ship and do an inspection of the vessel, because the vessel needs to have particular records, and they have a garbage record book, and that gives details of what was the volume of cargo what was the volume of garbage that they disposed of, and what was the exact locations at which they did that.
The key message here is one planet, one ocean, and we all need to do our bit to keep it clean. Nomoetu Solwandle, SABC News, Cape Town.